God, Rakul, तुम कितनी क्या
I've
उम्र है तुम्हारी?
I've not crossed it. I mean, properly I started in 2012, but that
Acha.
9-day
Same.
ride, which but 9-day ride because I'd done something in college.
मेकअप से नहीं लगता कि तुम 9 साल से तो I was like, wow, I want to
मैं
makeup
बहुत-
artist number fresh.
Thank you guys for joining in. Welcome to IndianExpress.com. This is Mimansa Shekhar, and so glad you guys are here. And congratulations for Sardar ka grandson.
Thank you.
you so much.
Thank you.
You know, such films are actually the need of the hour. Such feel-good films which just make you smile like a family entertainer. Meena ma'am, how do you do what you do?
I thought I don't want to do a 90-year-old now, but before listening to the script. But when I listened to the script, there was no way I was even going to think for a second that, "Acha, मैं सोच के बताऊंगी." I said yes, I'm doing it. It's very rare that at my age you get a role like this. Plus, it was a very challenging role. I am still very nervous whether कहीं ओवर तो नहीं हो गया होगा, कहीं पोस्चर तो नहीं चला गया होगा, कहीं आवाज तो नहीं मेरी जो नीचे की थी ऊंची. Actors always think like that. And the first screening you always see yourself and you find faults with yourself. That happens to all the actors. After the initial 3-4 days when my prosthetics were new to me, then I got very comfortable with the prosthetics. And the main thing is that the script is very nice. Script is very good. Dialogues are amazing. And the whole theme is so beautiful. And I'm sure everybody is going to have tears and a smile at the end of the film.
Yes.
So it was a great experience, yes. Arjun और मैं तो सही में we started feeling like कि हम दादी पोता ही हैं, there was this warmth for each other.
Right.
Then I had my son's husband who was playing my son.
Yes.
I had Tony playing my daughter-in-law, Divya playing my daughter-in-law. But we had a camaraderie, so it was great fun.
Arjun, how was it being the ladies' man? You started the entire presentation of the film with that one famous selfie, and then it just went on with that. How was it?
Well, yeah, it's my first time working with the director who's a female, but it never felt any different. She does see me in a way more nicer format than most men will, which is always nice because it's a different lens. And having so many women around, मुझे लगता है सरदार का grandson would be incomplete without the women. I still feel I could be substituted, but it so far feels every time I see the film and the contribution all the women have made. It was, I think, that song that is, Who Run the World. I think that song is very apt for this set at least. It was, see there, Kashfi's got really excited. So, I was made to feel welcome by all the ladies, and I'm always happy about that. More than me being a ladies one, I think this one was slightly flipped. But it's always fun. It's always fun working with women because they have this ability to nurture. Whether it's your co-actors or your director, they allow you mistakes. They're far more forgiving. There's more warmth on a set. There's a certain amount of ease, and there's a certain amount of, I think, what I would like to call flow.
We have seen this theme of India, Pakistan and partition in being given a twist in different ways, different projects. But this time it is completely different. It's a feel-good film, as I said. How did that entire idea come about? And then again, having it around, relocating an entire house, it was so interesting. Tell me more on that.
We used Pakistan because of the history of partition. because displacement of a house and of leaving a house behind in those circumstances comes for us in history from partition. So that's the reason why we really used the milieu of India and Pakistan in a way. But eventually the film did come about because we read an article, Moni Sharvani had read an article about house being moved from Kerala to Manesar. But they kind of moved it brick by brick. So we kind of did our research and we came across the process of structural relocation. And honestly, you see a house on a truck and you're like, I'm sold. Now we have to figure out the story around it.
Playing Radha, and of course, I mean, playing diversified characters now at this juncture of your career. How was the entire thing?
No, it was amazing to play Radha. Actually, as much as I hate to agree, I think a part of me really is Radha. Very, very. I call myself a walking, talking timetable. Sometimes I even say that it's okay to not have a schedule. Like even for an off day, it's fine if I don't do things meticulously or properly, or it's fine. But I can't help it. So I do have an OCD of certain things. I like things to be done properly, and that is also the character of Radha. And it was amazing to play that, And I think today I really like that character because Radha is somebody who voices what she feels. Radha is somebody who is emotional also. She is standing by him, but at the same time she's a no nonsense girl, and I think that's the beauty of that character.
Neena ma'am, aap bataiye, like would you actually want to have a grandson like Arjun, or for that matter grandchildren, like the three of them sitting in front of you?
Acha.
Basically, you're saying Masaba should have a little Arjun. Is that what you're saying?
So,
maybe.
My friends, मेरे तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ कभी थे नहीं, मैंने कभी उनसे कुछ इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया. But my friends who have become grandparents now, they say it is so nice, Neena. They are so sweet and we wait to meet them. पर फिर क्या होता है ना, उनसे खेलो, अच्छी बातें करो, उसके बाद वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी माँ बाप की होती है.
So today, if you guys meet your younger self, the ones who started off, what advice would you give to them?
I would actually ask my younger self for advice because I think I was a far more fearless person back then. I had nothing to lose. And I think I had far more clarity. I feel I've been muddled in the last 8-9 years of just being caught up in the chaos of being a star. I think there was a lot more purity and clarity. So I would go back to that. I would do anything to find that mindset and hold on to it for the rest of my career because I feel that is something that we all try to hold on to, but it's impossible because there is natural progression, certain corruption, certain confusion, certain clarity. But that I was very clear fearless. Then. I was fearless. I was clear कि भाई यही है. And sometimes you need to be that straight, which I miss all the time.
Ma'am, as young you are getting in real life, now you have taken the grandmother's role. Where do we see you from here? Like, are you going to become like our favorite grandmother now after favorite mother, or what? How is it going to be?
So ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार grandmother कर लिया तो because nobody can force me to do another grandmother. No, I have to say yes. No, so if I don't want to do grandmother, I'll say no. But if there is another good grandmother, I'll say yes. एक तो offer आ गया grandmother का. But let's see. But I'm doing variety of roles, so very interesting new characters. So I'm okay. I'm not worried.
Actually, how much do you think is the responsibility of young filmmakers today to to make the audience come at ease with this entire theme around India, Pakistan, and partition, because you have presented it in a very different way in your film.
I'm hoping the generation that's mine and to come realizes that the world without borders when it comes to culture, art, and everything is very important. The minute you do that, there is so much talent everywhere. I mean, really, at the end of the day, you'll always have child rapes on either side, anywhere in the world, for that matter. But let's go beyond it, beyond this thing. And again, today's day and age teaches you about humanity. There is nothing beyond that. Let's just keep that as a theme always and move forward.